Welcome to another instruction video from DAILYMAX. Today I'm going to show you how to release the shoulder and neck muscles with this little mean tool. I'm here with my friend Fabi, and he's also a skater for over a decade, and he has problems with his shoulder joint for quite a while now. And I'm going to help him to release tensions around the shoulder blade with this little mean tool called Twister. Alright, so I give you the twister and just sit down. Grab the twister with your right hand. Okay. There are some spaces, you can grab it with your fingers here. Perfect. And go to the other side of your shoulder. Perfect. Now lay down. Find a spot with a certain sensation. Relax the arms to the side. Have you found the spot? Yes. Yeah. And now you can adjust the pressure by your hips. If you raise the hips, you increase the pressure. If it's too much, just bring them down to the bottom again. You can also use the roller and place it under your butt, so it's not that exhausting for you. You can close your eyes here, relax the arms to the side, get used to this sensation and always keep breathing. I love this exercise because this exercise actually shows you a good pain. During this exercise, it can be hurtful, or you can feel a high sensation, but at the same time you realize that there is something good happening. So get used to this sensation, and as soon as you're ready, lift the left arm up and down. Just go as far as possible. By using these motions, you can really release the tension in that certain point. You can also start circling with the shoulder. Use your maximum range of motion. And keep breathing. If you feel comfortable, you can do it faster and also change the direction. So you can do it for 30 seconds up to 2 minutes, but if you feel comfortable with doing it for 5 minutes, feel free to do it 5 minutes. Relax, take 2 more breaths. Super nice. And then slowly sit up and go to the other side. Keep laying on the ground, find another spot on the other side. Just take time to find the right spot. What you can actually do with the twister is using it around your shoulder blades point for point, so you can work all the way around your shoulder blades here and also up to your neck. Adjust the pressure so that you feel comfortable. You want to use the roller? Yes. Yes, of course. High pressure. And I really love the twister for this exercise. You could also use the ball, but the ball tends to roll away. And with the twister you can really ensure that it stays in that exact position. Keep breathing, get used to the sensation, and then start moving the right arm. That's one of my favorite techniques. It's compress and mobilize. You release tension by just moving your maximum range of motion. Change the direction. You can basically get creative with the motions of your shoulder here. You can draw 8s in front of you. Use your maximum range of motion in the most creative way you can imagine. Bring the arm down again, relax for 2 more breaths, then get the roller out of your butt and slowly come up. Nice, man. How do you feel now?
I'm feeling very relaxed. Very relaxed, and the shoulders are much lighter, and yeah,
awesome,
fine.
man. Yeah, you look pretty relaxed.
Yeah, man.
I love this exercise. You can basically do it every night or as soon as you feel that there's some tension coming up. Thanks for watching. See you in the next week's episode, and until then, take it nice and easy. If you want to get some of these amazing products with 15% off, use my personal discount code. The code is in the description below. And if you want to learn more about an active and sustainable lifestyle in surfing and skateboarding, subscribe for this channel and hit the bell button. I am posting a new instruction video for rolling, stretching, mobility or active recovery every Tuesday at 8 p.m. I also have a coffee talk where I basically talk about anything that pops up in my mind every Sunday at 10 a.m. I still continue writing on my blog, and I will post a new topic every Thursday at 6 p.m.